Hello, good evening, bro.
Good evening, brother. How are you?
All good, all good.
Okay, do
Hope
you
you
get?
seen my trade.
Yes, I see some. Okay, this is uptrend or downtrend?
This is uptrend actually.
Okay, uptrend. So, what you do here? Fair value gap, mitigation इसका लो स्वीप हुआ, again ये लो स्वीप हुआ, ऊपर गए, ऊपर done. Sorry, English. I talk in Hindi. Okay, sorry. Just previously two classes was in Hindi, so I'm continuing that. Okay,
Okay,
yes.
okay, okay. It's okay.
Sorry. Okay, that. But okay.
No problem, no problem.
Okay,
That
we
too, that fair value gap with the change, color
for
change.
change. Okay,
So that's
okay.
fine.
This is a good trade.
Yeah,
Okay, because this is
yeah. Yeah.
already sweep here two times.
Liquidity is also there.
Mm. Because why it was work? It was a good trade. Why? Because gap. Okay, it was
Mm,
mitigated reverse.
mm,
Again, it was sweep. It was already two times
correct.
sweep. So again, it was graded a
Mm,
gap. So it was a good
mm.
trade. Do you trade in OTC?
Yeah, today morning, so I didn't find a normal market.
Okay. So what is the
This
reason
is a
behind?
last trade actually. There is a gap. Actually, it's a break-even gap here. So that
Okay,
the third candle was really big. That's why I waited for one candle, and the next trade I have taken it.
okay. It was a loss. It's a
Correct.
okay. Color change also is a breakout. Color change also is a loss. Where it was coming from? There is any level? No, there is only this fair value gap level. Okay. Maybe it was just kind of trap it was doing because exactly a support level here is from. That's why maybe it will one candle maybe happen. But it's a good trade.
Oh, okay.
It's a good trade. Still it's loss.
Mm.
Okay. Because maybe this reason it will at least one candle will make, then it will move it try to moving upside. See?
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
also it was
Okay.
mitigated. The one and only a poor in this whole price lag, we have
Mm.
only one unmitigated. So that's why maybe it was try to mitigate it or it was from
No.
because of this
Okay.
level, maybe it lost. But it's a good trade. No issues. It's a good trade.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. What happened? This is uptrend downtrend.
This is uptrend.
Okay, there is a level. It was moving upside. Okay, then you get
I can
a
find a two fair value gap.
okay, you
So
get a
after that, it's a strong.
okay, fair value gap. You dare to take the trade here. Okay,
Yes, correct,
but
correct.
if it is a color change, it was a good thing. Okay,
Mhm.
still it was a win. It's a
Because
good
of
thing.
two fair value gap, I thought it was really
Yes, yes,
strong,
yes,
so I go with the next one.
yes, but two things will happen here, baby. Already liquid is cheap here because this is fair value gap level. Okay, and it is
Mm-hmm.
not maybe still breakout, not breakout. Sometimes maybe you get some red candle also. Good trade, but sometimes
Okay.
try to avoid. If it is mitigated, that was a good thing.
Okay.
Tarot is also good. Okay, it, I think this is much only. Okay, this is three trades only. You take the
I
only three
I, I
trades.
found this as yeah today because of time constraint, so
Okay,
that's why.
okay. Okay, we can discuss today the main points. Okay,
Okay.
this is liquidity level.
Mm.
Whatever it is, our levels. What is our levels? Investment. Yes, order block,
Yeah.
extreme fair value gap, or low or high. These all are the levels we are going to reverse. So from here,
Mm.
previously what we follow from here, if we get any gap, breakout gap direct or fair value gap mitigation, again trade
Mm.
mitigation, same we are going following this through. Sometimes what
Mm.
happens, it will you don't know it will right reversal or wrong reversal.
Mm.
Sometimes it will reverse from here. But what happened?
Mm.
It was mitigated. Okay, one candle move upside, then try to break out
Mm.
sometimes. It was
Yeah.
also trap as sometimes.
Okay.
So
Okay.
is it reversal is real or not? How do we can find going to find this? That is the main thing we are going to discuss that. Okay,
Okay.
from this level.
Mm.
Okay, any level. If you get any gap from
Mm.
here,
Mm.
okay, here is a gap. From here it was moving again upside with gap. Okay,
Mm.
it will. That means so any gap, breakaway gap or fair value gap doesn't matter. It will came with gap. I can go with gap, fair value gap in and fair value gap out. Okay, we can call it sharp turn.
Okay.
Okay, sharp turn.
Okay.
In sharp turn means what? Simple. A sharply a level say upper sorry from sharply from this level
V shape.
it will move upside. No, not V shape.
Mm.
It will at least achieve our first target.
Okay.
So this is the confirmation you have. When you get this kind of continuous gaps, means
Mm.
this gap, then again gap. So this is very strong
Okay.
confirmation. Market will reverse. And also,
Mm.
and one more thing is here. Okay, I said previously, this first gap is always manipulation gap.
Manipulation gap.
Any level, if you get any gap, okay, any level, if you get any
Mm.
first gap, it will be a manipulation gap most of the time. For example, what happened? For example, from here it will move upside. It close here. What do you think?
Mm.
Maybe it will move upside, downside. You think maybe it will give reaction
Mm.
from it will give reaction from here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
and you
Yeah.
get a seller candle from here also. If you get out strategy also sometimes,
Mm.
but don't take the trade from here.
Okay.
Okay, it will trap,
Okay.
it will manipulate, then it will again create any gap from here. This is also sharp turn.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
This is very strong confirmation more than previous because already manipulation is
Mm.
happen here. Then it will market
Yeah.
moving upside. So this is very strong.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
and then how to use this sharp turn? We can call it ST in
Okay.
okay. We know when you get any first gap, we must break this level. Yes. After breakout
Yes.
only, we are going to take the trade. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. If you get any gap like this here, I will draw
Mm.
clearly. That means what is my meaning? If his gap not break this level,
Mm.
okay, Candice doesn't make
Okay.
break this level. So don't take
Mm.
the still this shortness. We have a
Correct.
gap inside, gap in, gap out also. So this is still ST. But don't take the
Correct.
trade because this level is not still not broken. We have to wait for reversal. And after this reversal also don't take the trade. Maybe if
Okay.
you want to take the risk, okay, you can go for it. But my suggestion is
Okay.
after this low sweep, okay, go for trade. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
like this. 1 second. Amma, Nuga, okay, 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah.
దానికోసం కాదు కన్నా 1 second, sorry.
No problem.
I think you say you know Telugu.
I can understand a bit.
అలా అమ్మ కోసం ఫోన్ చేసుకుని శరత్ గారు మళ్ళీ చేసేత్తు చెప్పు అమ్మకి చేసి అమ్మతో ఇచ్చి పంపి అవసరం అయితే ఓకే సరే ఓకే వీఆర్
Malle means latter, right? Latter.
ఐ డెంట్ అండర్స్టాండ్
Malli means latter, right? Latter.
ఎస్ మళ్ళీ sorry very important card, that's why I so sorry. Okay.
All right. No worries. Yeah.
Okay, so trade here, that is was a good thing. For suppose
Mm.
it was a broke here, that was a good thing. Already our rules is followed, it was broken. Okay, it was broken, and also we have a breakaway gap, so go for third candle is good, go for call option.
Okay.
As is yesterday we discussed, if you get from here any color change fair value gap after this breakout, if you get any color change fair value gap, same as is you can go for call option, same rules. Okay,
Yeah.
so the
Okay.
point is if you get ST, this is
Mm-hmm.
strong confirmation, you get more winning ratio. When you get ST,
Oh, okay.
you get a good winning ratio. This is strong confirmation, market is reversal. Okay,
Okay.
if it is not sweep any liquidity, without sweeping liquidity, if you get a ST, this is also trap. Without liquidity,
Okay.
anything happen, everything is trap. As we previously we have
Okay.
said, from here there is a
Yes.
no liquidity, you get a gap, it will retest. Okay, that will break, not move upside because there is a no liquidity. Simple.
Got it.
Now,
Got it.
now we can discuss about our setup and rules. First, we need to know setup.
Okay.
Setup.
Okay.
Without setup, we are not going to take the trade. Okay, everyone tell you do trade on your setup, trade on your setup, but you don't. What is our setup first? You need to know that. Yes.
I didn't come in.
Okay, when you saw anyone videos or anyone, they try to tell you trade with setup, trade your setup, trade your setup, wait for plan, wait for your setup.
Mm-hmm.
So how to, you don't know how to wait your setup. What, don't know how, where is what is your setup. So first you have to find your setup first. Okay, we can both, we can discuss the what is setups.
Okay.
Okay, I can ask you, when you open the chart, what you are looking for first? First, what do you look at the chart?
Trend.
Yes,
Trend.
that
I mean
was
market structure.
yes, that was a good point. First, always trend. Okay.
Okay.
Mark the structure. Okay, spelling mistake है तो वो छोड़ दो, leave it.
That is okay. I can.
I am just typing. Okay. Then what do you look next?
Liquidity or fair value gap.
Yes, 100% you are
First,
right. Liquidity. Liquidity, yes, liquidity. So where is the liquidity? Where is our, what is liquidity levels? Inducement,
Inducement,
OB, OB,
order block, fair
extreme,
value gap,
extreme
fair value gap
level,
remaining level,
and swing. Oh, yes. Swing
swing
low
low and high.
or high. This is the points we are going to take the reversal trade. These are the, here we are going to see
Equal
liquidity.
highs.
Yes.
Equal
This
highs.
yes. Most of the time, your reversal point is here. Below induce,
Correct.
below IDM, if IDM equal low, OB equal low, whatever is equal low, everything. Okay. This is the points we are looking most of the time. Yes.
Okay.
This is the level from this is the find your liquidity. Next, what to do here? What is our third rule?
Next, third rule is we
Simple.
need gaps.
We need reversal confirmation.
Okay.
Yes, yes. A reversal or not? We need reversal confirmation. Reversal. Reversal confirmation. What is our reversal confirmation?
Can you clarify this? What you are talking about the reversal confirmation?
For example, okay. First you look for structure and find the liquidity.
Yeah.
For example, this
Correct.
is the way. This is fair value gap level. This is liquidity. Okay, inducement level. Market is coming down. Okay, trend is fine. Inducement mitigation. From here, how to trade? From here, how to trade here? What is your confirmation? It is reverse. You get one green candle. You are going to not take. You need reversal confirmation. Yes.
Correct.
What is our reversal confirmation? Just now we discussed what? Sharp turn.
Sharp turn.
Sharp turn is more confirmation. Yes. We discussed just now. Sharp turn is the best reversal confirmation. Yes. Simple. So when you get sharp turn, what you look for next?
I look for gaps.
After sharp turn, we need to. It must
wait for the breakout.
Yes. The left side. Left side
breakout.
Side. First.
Then gap.
First gap breakout. First gap breakout. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, we done our setup.
Okay.
This is our setup. First, we find the liquidity setup structure of then only liquidity. If we don't find the trend, we are not looking for liquidity. Then only change the pair, currency pair. Then you get a liquidity. Then only look at the opportunity. Otherwise, we are not looking for the entry points first. We are looking for the opportunity areas. Okay. For sometimes it's not happen. Sometimes it's not happen. It is not happen. These two rules are not following. It is happen. For example, it is happen. So we have to look for 100% this fourth rule. Yes. Now this is the rules. Now we have to look for entry. Okay. Our setup is what is our entry? Yes, entry point we need. So entry. What should you do for entry? What you should we look for entry first. Now you can tell me. After reversal also confirm now. So what should you look for?
Entry obviously once it's broken. Obviously again I look for a gap. Then only I will go.
Yes. First gap. First one. For example, you get a breakaway gap. How to trade?
Okay.
Yes, this is our confirmation. We need gap, so
Correct.
we get a gap. So if suppose it's a breakaway gap. So what is the
Breakaway
rules?
gap, I
How to trade?
see without mitigation I can go up. That
Yes,
too, if that big candle I have to wait for one
yes,
retracement, then I will go.
yes. I will make it simple. First,
Hmm.
if you get a breakaway gap, you look for third candle. Third candle
Uh-huh.
important. Yes. If you get a
Yeah.
third candle, good. Direct trade. Huh? Direct trade.
Yes.
Okay. Direct. Otherwise, you didn't get a good candle. So what you do? So with mitigation or without mitigation, one second, I will show you. I think you didn't
Yeah.
understand this point. I will show you.
Yeah,
Trade.
yeah, I can understand. That's it.
Yes,
That's the reference. That's it.
yes, yes.
You just
So
write it. I'll manage.
because breakaway gap, for example, breakaway gap. One second. From the here breakaway gap, this is breakaway gap. So what is the breakaway gap rules? We have to look for direct trade, but it's not a good candle.
Correct.
For example, strong candle. So if it is
Correct.
retrace here, okay, without mitigation, with mitigation or without mitigation,
Without
without
mitigation,
mitigation means what is the meaning? If it is there is a no gap, it's not mitigated, go for trade. If it is a mitigated, still we are going for call option.
Yeah.
That
This
is
point
the
I am clear with that. Yeah.
okay. Now see without mitigated or without without what happened to this? Without mitigation trade. Yes. So for
Yes.
example, this will happen. For suppose what happen? If you get color change fair value gap, then it will our strategy.
Direct trade. Direct.
Yes. Means all kind of situation we know now how to trade.
Yeah.
What happened to this? Where it is? Okay, one second. BAG plus color change FEG means
Color change
direct
equal
trade.
to direct trade.
Direct trade. Simple. Simple. Okay. We
Yeah,
know now how to
yeah.
trade with breakaway gap. So next,
Correct.
but suppose if you get a fair value gap, how to trade? Only with mitigation.
Must mitigation.
Yes. With mitigation. Mitigation. For suppose you get a color change fair value gap. Color change fair value gap. CFEG. You get a CFEG, that means direct trade.
Direct trade. Yeah.
Direct trade. For suppose, okay. Amen. Okay, direct trade. Then
Yeah.
what is okay? For suppose it's a fair value gap, it was mitigated. How to trade after mitigation? How to trade after mitigation? Mitigation, it will happen mitigation. Okay?
Then direct trade.
No. What is our rule after mitigation? It must, what must? It must sweep. Yes, sweep.
Okay.
Previous candle. Candle low or high. Low or high, yes. This is very important. Very important. Yes. Must sweep this low or high. After
this only applicable for fair value gap, right?
Any gap once it mitigated, we need all the same gap mitigated. Okay. Now what is our
that sweep point? That sweep point.
Yes. Anywhere, any gap.
Okay.
Gap mitigation means you need low sweep.
Target. Okay, got it.
Target. Last point, our target. What is our target?
Target. Recent swing.
Yes, recent low or high. Simple.
Yeah.
Simple.
Recent pullback. Okay.
See, simple. First, if you don't have this, you look not for entry. You don't have here, you're not looking for entry. Okay. When you get structure, then looking for liquidity. For example, there is an inducement level. There is a no liquidity. You are not even you get a fair value gap here, not going to enter because the second part is not fulfilled. Yes.
Correct.
For example, you get a sharp turn. Sharp turn means exactly you get it from here. Sometimes it will gear not the sharp turn. It need exact at level sharp turn. If you get sharp turn, you need compulsory follow the fourth rule. You have to break out this level. I will show. Okay. Then only after only you're looking for trade, not immediately. Still, for example, how we are filtering our trades. Simple. You get a breakaway gap after liquidity. So we are
Hmm.
what you look here? Immediately not taking the trade because third candle, we are looking for third candle. It was a good, for example.
Hmm.
You are take a trade.
Correct.
Win, no, just it's a win.
Correct.
For
Hmm.
suppose it's not a green candle. You loss or you're waited here, some whatever it is. You waited here. It not mitigated our gap. Gap is here. With mitigation or without mitigation, you have to trade. Yes, with mitigation or
Correct.
without
Correct.
mitigation. You go into trade
Mitigation.
call option. For example, it was
Yeah.
mitigation. Still you're going to call
Hmm.
option. For
Okay.
suppose this
Here,
candle have
here that sweep point is not applicable, right?
see, first time is the sweep. When you are looking for the sweep, see here I will explain you. For example, it was mitigated here. Okay.
Okay.
As per our rule, you take the call option here. Okay.
Yes.
Then how to trade? Mitigation means after mitigation, you know the reversal trade.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Okay. After that
Yes.
only you need look to for the sweep. Any gap.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay. This is the point. Okay.
Got it.
Now for suppose you get a this is a not mitigated. You get another different kind of candle. If you don't know what is this happen, this kind of thing you happen here. Okay. What happened here? This is fair value, Kerala change fair value gap. See,
Color change.
if you have Kerala change fair value gap, direct trade.
Direct
So
trade.
all kind of situation you know how to trade here.
Correct.
What I'm saying. Yes, for suppose
Correct.
it will not happen. It will not happen. For example, you get a fair value gap like here. I will draw it. Not tap into this. We have a fair value gap. This is fair value gap. This is fair value gap. Okay. You get a fair value gap. That means what happened? What happened?
We need one.
Yes, we need to mitigation. Say mitigation. Only after mitigation, we are going for call option. After this call option, how to trade? We need to see this low. So after mitigation, fair value gap is done. After mitigation also done.
Yes.
How to trade?
Yes.
Where is our target? For example, previously your target is here, swing low.
Ah,
But what I say,
correct.
that's why draw here recent low, recent high. What is our recent? This is our target.
Yes.
So after mitigation this high, we are stopping. Again, we look for downside, extreme fair value gap, then go for. So we know everything now. Where to live, where to trade. We don't have a confusion. Any confusion here?
No.
This is the way we are going to take the trades. This rule, if you are following, these rules you are following, end of the day, whatever your winning ratio, you will be profitable.
Oh, okay.
Simple. Because if you are lost, if something you are lost, go for these rules. You follow this one, then go for it. You are follow all this one, still you are lost, that is good loss. Still, yes, you know that. Maybe sometime, maybe some reason. You are win, you know now. You know why you are winning. You know every rule. That's why you're winning. There is a no confusion. You can yourself, you can repair. If you have any doubts. That means I am not giving that much. And that means you get a confidence. That is my intention. For example, I send some screenshot to you, yes? Or not?
No. That screenshot, no, you didn't send.
Okay, just I will one or two, I will show that one. Not all the things. Where whose I've sent the people now today. Sometimes I forget. I need to B2 the guy. Any trade, I want to show. Any trade. See, yesterday I didn't say what is the ST is here. I draw, but I didn't say the simple. See, I draw gap here. Yes. First trend is downtrend. First pan rule. How I am following rule here. First pan trend is downtrend. Yes. Second rule, liquidity. What is the liquidity? See, extreme fair value gap. First time sweep, second time sweep. Liquid is done. Third rule, reversal confirmation. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Any gap done. What is the fourth rule? Breakout. Yes, breakout. Yes. Then go for trade entry. What is the trade entry? Breakaway gap. Third rule. Third candle big. So I leave here. Here. So wait for one more candle. Next, green candle with mitigation, without mitigation trade. But why should I not trade here? It is win. But why should I not take? Because lower side wick is big.
Big, okay.
Yes, I waited. It was mitigated. Now after mitigation, direct trade. Simple.
Yes, okay.
I follow all rule or not?
Yes, yes, yes. You follow.
See, simple. First pan, trend is uptrend. Second pan, extreme fair value gap is our liquidity. Yes, liquidity sweep.
Liquidity.
Two
Yes.
point, done. Third point was
Hmm.
in and out. ST done.
Hmm.
Fourth rule, it must break. It was broken. It was broken.
Yes.
Done. We are look for the trade. Same. BAG. Yes, I get a BAG. Third candle is
Yes.
important. Third candle is big. Yes, third candle is
Yes.
big.
Yes.
I
Yes.
waited here. After that, again I get a color change fair value gap. I have to take the trade here. But why should I
Yes.
not take the trade? Weeks. If suppose you are take trade here, you are loss here. Or suppose loss here. Okay. What happened? After mitigation, direct trade. Why? BAG plus color change FPG. Yes,
Correct.
direct trade. Then after mitigation, how to trade? It must sweep previous low. Sweep हो गया. Sorry, sweep. It was sweep. Yes.
Yes.
This is
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
high
Yeah.
point. This is the high point. Target.
Hmm.
I will show next trade. See, I take the trade. Target is finished. I follow the all rules or not?
Yes.
Simple rules. If you see rules, there is a lot of rules. But if you are
Correct.
following, it was very simple. But you know, but
Yes.
you have to know that how to use it.
Correct.
That is the main thing. My intention. I
Correct.
will show same example. See, same example. First trend is downtrend. FEG means see
Yes.
liquidity. Okay, 2
Liquidity.
points over. Third point, fair value gap in, fair value gap out. Third rule over.
Hmm.
What is the fourth rule? It must break. Yes, it was broken.
Break. Yes.
Just go for the breakaway gap. It is good breakaway gap. But if
Hmm.
you want to take the loss here, okay. With mitigation, without mitigation, go for trade. And
Correct.
BAG and color change FEG. See, trade.
Perfect.
Why
Hmm.
why why I stop here? Why I didn't take the trade here? Because of the extreme fair value gap.
Because it's get it.
I am applying everything. What I say you, that is also I am following. I'm not doing anything new or new. Yes.
Correct.
See
Right.
here. Extreme fair value gap. What is extreme fair value gap
Yes.
means? Liquidity. First extreme means
Liquidity.
trend is downtrend. Simple.
Yes.
Okay. First trend is done. Liquidity is done. Third rule. Gap in.
Hmm.
Gap out. Fourth rule what?
Hmm.
Breakout. Done. Breakout. Breakaway
Hmm.
gap. Direct trade.
Yes.
Everywhere you
Yes.
can see,
Yes.
I will send this all pictures. See, liquidity sweep. Okay, fair
Hmm.
value gap in, fair value gap out, breakout. Target is here at a trade.
Hmm. Perfect.
Every rule I am following. Every rule I am following. Okay, see here. I will follow in two things. Downtrend. Okay, it was the level is here. Breakaway gap, color change, fair value gap. It was trap. It was mitigated fair value gap. Take the trade.
Yes.
You can go every chart. I will send this all these things everywhere you can go. I will follow every rule. Okay, everywhere.
Please share this to me.
Ah, yes, 100% I will share to you. Why not?
Yeah.
If you understand, yesterday I will say yes, I show you something. That's why I'm not showing all these things. Okay. Now you can
Okay.
understand why I don't want to waste your time with screenshots. So let's
No,
analyze the real
no,
market.
no. It's perfect. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because I just my intention is I am also follow the rules. That's why I want to show this all these things. Okay.
Got it.
Waste.
Got it. Got it.
Okay, it was happen here. Just I will show you. Okay, send you. Okay, send it. Let's do here. Now live market. Okay, I will remove this all these things. Okay, I will send
Okay.
also. Already I previously take a class. That's why I draw structure. See, it was coming down.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see in
Yeah.
live market. What happening here? So low break here. Here break. Okay. Is a low here is break. Trend is downtrend. Here is the inducement. Yes.
Yes.
Here is the inducement. Here is the order block. What happened to this?
Yes.
This order block is here. So market is still did not came down. Previously upside there is any change of character? I think let's see what will there is a no change of character. Why? It was low sweep. It is not inducement. So there is a no change of character level. So still it is downtrend. There is a extreme gap. Okay, extreme gap first time.
Yes.
Second time sweep it was coming down. Let's see what will happen. Let's
Yeah.
analyze the market in live also. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is your ASD. Yes, we can go for also. Why should not? Okay. See, after mitigation coming down, there is a gap. It was a mitigated a gap. Okay. Fair value gap.
Yes.
What is the color change fair value gap? Direct trade. win or
Directed, yeah.
refund, win or refund. After this high sweep, one trade. After two trades, we are not going to take the trades. Yes,
Yes.
target is achieved, but it was creating a fair
Mm.
value gap. So if it is mitigated here go for sell side.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
this is your target. Yes,
Correct.
let's see. I think you understand everything because if
Yes.
just you
Yes.
need
Yes.
practice, just you need practice. This is our
Okay.
last class about strategy. You
Okay.
can take your time, 2 days or 3 days or 4 days. So you how much time you want, you can take the time. Then
Okay.
every day send to me screenshot. I will observe your screenshot, discuss. Write it down.
Okay.
Any doubt you have, write down. After that, you get any what I say. After that, you get any doubts, we can discuss in the doubt session. I will take the doubt session. I will discuss of the money
Okay.
section. Okay, here it was okay.
Okay.
We are talking, but we are not seeing the market. Okay. See
Mm.
what happened. What I'm saying is because we are fair value gap, it was mitigated. We are go for sell side.
Mm.
It was coming down. If it is red
Yes.
candle, we are
Yes.
not going for next candle down directly because we need
Because it
after
was not
mitigation.
sleeping.
If it is sweep high, we are go look for sell
Ah.
side. Otherwise, we have to wait for
Right.
like this. 1 second. Okay, this is the target. Now above here is the level. See, this was a win. If you take that
Yes.
as per our rule, if you take this win,
Correct.
okay, it was looking downtrend, uptrend or
Mm.
downtrend. Okay, it was uptrend somewhere first. Okay, see, here is a high break. So simple. This is the change of capital level.
Mm.
Yes, this is the break of
Yes.
structure level. So again, market
Correct.
moving upside. There is any inducement level. Okay, moving upside. Then it was break of structure done. But previously low, the
Mm.
sweep the low, moving upside. Okay,
Mm.
simple. From this extreme fair value gap, it was reacting. Here is the
Mm.
extreme fair value gap. It was reacting, came down. But what happened? Here is a low point. It was sweep. Downside, there is a nothing to sweep. Everything it was sweeping. I will show you.
Correct.
Everything is sweep. It was try to moving upside. So where is the first target? First target is here. Done. Let's see what happened. Let's move. Discuss them. What
Yes.
happened? See,
Yes. Yes.
liquid is sweep. Gap in, gap out. Okay, it was broken. The color change fair
Mm.
value gap.
Mm.
Direct trade. Win. Target is done.
Yes.
Okay. Then
Done.
again, what happened? After mitigation, it was a
Yes.
breakaway gap. Okay, target is here. Okay, next
Yes.
win.
Yes.
Let's live market. Now there's a color change fair value gap. But what you need
Yes.
already target is finished. Let's see left side what is happening here. There is a here is the gap, extreme gap. Here is a one extra gap. That's why we are not going
Yes.
to take
One
the
minute gap.
trade. So
Okay.
let's wait.
Okay.
If it is mitigated below, that was a good confirmation.
Yes.
So this is how I am taking this one, this date and range, this date and range.
Oh, okay. But this is not there in that IQ option.
No. The IQ option this we have just line chart only.
Ah.
We
Do I
don't.
need to use this one? Vertex.
No, nothing. But just you get a tools. If you are like your IQ option, you can go for IQ option. If you like the Cortex, you depend on your time. Don't matter. No
Okay. Okay.
matter. Just for these
Okay.
tools, we are not. Don't try to take any change the broker. But
Okay. Okay.
IQ option is better for real trading. Why? Because it's mandated, but it's from morning 10:30 to 9 night. It will give real market. Cortex is not giving that much. Only after
Oh.
5:30 you get this kind of return rate. Otherwise you
Oh.
didn't
Okay.
get
Okay.
it. So that is the one
Okay.
problem is here. Okay.
Okay.
If I get any trade, I want to show you with rules. See, it was win next candle, but don't want to take the trade. This is our trade. Yes,
Correct. Correct.
this is our trade
Correct.
because win. Oh, it is winning. That means we are not taking the trade. Sometimes maybe loss. So we don't have any rule. Then it will create any gap downside. They'll look for the trade. Otherwise, we do not. Here also, we don't have any opportunity because market is at extreme level. First time sweep, second time sweep. Maybe it will move down also. We don't know. This kind of
Correct.
small candles, sometimes it will move also. But we don't want to take the trade. This is our not strategy. Even it is
Correct.
AVFC candle. If suppose at least take, but this is not the any kind of no confirmation.
Yeah.
Let's see what will happen. Market is downtrend. Simple. See, here is the low break. Previously, induced was mitigated. So here is the change of capital level. Okay. This
Yeah.
is the inducement level. Just I am finding fastly. Don't worry.
No, no worries, no worries. Finish. Yeah.
Just because okay, this is if you are, this is the change of capital level. Maybe okay, simple.
Mm.
Okay, from if market reverse from here, there is any
Mm.
level. There is any chance? No. Actually, if you want to market reverse, this is the liquidity level. There is a no gaps
Mm.
actually. So it was just why
Mm.
market fair value gap mitigating, try to moving upside. See, same example. If you want to take the trade after this candle, see, red candle happen because low was not sweeping.
Correct.
As per our rule, low must be
Correct.
sweep. So sometimes it will
Yeah.
giving meaning that so you depend on that much. So maybe you are going to be lost. So you don't know why you are
Correct.
losing, why not. So still it is not sweep. So that's why I'm not taking any trade. As per our rule, it has to sweep. At least this candle, or no, it was not sweeping. That's why you don't have any trade opportunity here. Yes,
Got it. Got
just
it.
is
Got it.
now ranging. This is just ranging. It was just ranging. See, there is a red king pattern. We don't follow that. We don't need that. See what happens. See what I say. It was showing like downtrend, but see, boom, market moved upside. So
Yes,
this is
yes,
not our
yes.
confirmation. Second time, see, that means we are not going to take the trade. Yes.
Correct. Correct. You are right.
So we have to wait for our rules and setup. If you know where to live first, everyone know where to trade, but they don't know where to live.
Where to live?
That is our main topic is where to live. Because of targets, because of extreme fair value gap, because of previous swing low, it not see previous low. It's because of big candle, because of we know everything. Why we are shooting leaving? Okay.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
So if you know how to live, so this is not perfectly color change fair value gap. Okay, and also it not previously sweep. If it is sweep here, I create any gap that is strong. Yes, as per our rule.
Yes.
It's a just
Yes.
normal gap. This is not strong gap.
Mm.
Why it not strong, not gap? It's just created without mitigation any level. It was created. If it is created, that was a strong level. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What happening here? It was just try to move down. After third time, it will move in downside. See, this is the extreme fair value gap. First time, second time, this is the third time. Now it will try to move in downside. Yes.
Yes.
See, this fair value gap from the you don't get any opportunity. So you don't want to take any trade here. At least it will come from any support level. You try to take the sell trade also. Call option, but there is a no confirmation. Maybe it will move downside also. Let's see what will happen. It also here is a gap.
So yeah,
It was a creating gap.
our projection is might have chance it will come down until this mitigation level.
There is
Until this fair value gap level.
Yeah, previously I draw this gap from when we are when we are here, but this is not our main gap now because there is a already mitigation gap is there. There is a only unmitigated gap is here. See, previously everything here is a mitigation. So here is the unmitigated, here is the unmitigated, but we are not taking middle ones. The first one is here broken. So this is the extreme one is more powerful.
Yes, yes, yes.
If you want to take the sell trade, let's see just what happened. Okay. Simple. Why should I take the trade here? There is a third time sweep. It is a short turn. It was a low break. I get a breakaway gap. Extreme fair value gap is here. Understand?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Let's see. Simple. So I will show you. Previously, we are waiting for this gap, extreme fair value gap. Yes. It was a first time, second time, third time, sharp turn. It was broken. Breakaway gap. Target.
Might have chance this will react to one green color candle, I think so, because of strongest side. Last candle was
yes, strong, but yes, but because I will see everything up. This is the extreme gap. That's why I take the trade. For example, it was a green candle, no issues. What happens? Our breakaway gap. This is the fair value gap. Go for sell side. What happens? Just how I am following the rules. Just I want to show that only. Okay, simple. You get a good win because if you see this fair value gap, don't because this is the first value gap. So this is the last gap. Middle one there is not that much. See, it was a win. So we are not going to take now because two continuous fair value gap breakaway gap means maybe retrace, maybe we'll move, maybe sometimes we don't know. Simple. Understand?